Hi guys, it's Kat. Today I'm going to show you how to build this adorable crib for a miniature nursery. This is a really simple project that only uses a few supplies you might already have. I love the look of this modern white one, but you can customize it any way you like. Let's get started. For the main frame of the crib, I'll be using these square dowels. In this assorted pack, I'll be using it in this size, which is 0.197 of an inch or about 1/5 of an inch. With the miter handsaw, I cut out a 3-inch length. This will be the height of the crib. You need 4 of these for the 4 posts. You also need 4 4¼ inch lengths and 4 2¼ inch lengths. Take one of the 4¼ inch lengths and glue it to a 3-inch length about ½ an inch from the bottom. Add another 4¼ inch length right to the top with a 3-inch length. Then add the other 3-inch length to the right side to finish off this side of the frame. You're going for this billboard shape. Make another one out of these other dowels. Put these remaining 2¼ inch lengths to the side for now. Next up are the spindles. I'll be using these thin bamboo skewers for that. They're super thin and the perfect thickness for the spindles. I used my utility knife to score the skewer at the 2-inch mark. Then you can snap the piece right off. You'll need a bunch of these. I used 36 in total. Now simply glue them into the frame a 1/4 inch apart. Make sure the spindles are in the center of the dowel for a neat look. To finish the sides, grab the 4 2¼ inch square dowels and glue them perpendicular to the square dowels on the frame. Then you can position the other side of the frame on. Once that's dry, add the remaining spindles to these open sides. The last piece of the frame that we need is for the mattress support. For that, I'll be using these 1/4 inch coffee stirrers. Cut out 2 4-inch lengths and 2 1¾ inch lengths. Form them into a rectangle. Then you need some thinner coffee stirrers. Cut 9 1¾ inch lengths and glue them into the frame a 1/4 inch apart. Once that's dry, you can position it into the bottom of the crib. Now it's time for the fun part of painting. You can use any color you like, but I chose white so it matches the decor of most rooms. I did about 3 coats of paint to achieve this opaque look. Finally, we need a mattress. I love using these magic eraser sponges because they're super bouncy and cut like butter. I test fit this piece into the crib, and while the width is perfect, it is a little short. So I used some fabric glue to glue 2 sponges together and cut off the excess with an X-Acto knife. Now it's the perfect size mattress. To cover it, I'll be using this piece of cotton I got from my old dress shirt. Glue one edge of the sponge to the fabric and roll it over to cover the entire piece. For the sides, fold down the corner so you get this crisp, clean edge. It's a very easy fold, but if you have any trouble, check out my mattress tutorial. Glue all the corners down and cut off the excess fabric. Then glue all the open seams together. Simply place your mattress into the crib and you can decorate it. Remember all these couch cushions we made in the past video? They're perfect for adding some color here. I made a simple room box for a quick nursery. Pick any wallpaper, curtains, and flooring you like to match your taste. Add a simple piece of fabric for the rug and place the crib on top of it. You can even drape a few pieces of fabric over the side of the crib for a cozy look. No nursery is complete without a few pictures of cute animals, so let's add those. That's it, your crib is all complete. I hope you guys liked this video. Stay tuned for my next video where I show you how to make this room box that adapts to any style you like.